Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can make a collage on iPhone. So the first step that you need to take is to find and launch the Shortcuts app. Here at the bottom, select Gallery and using the search, look for the photo section. Now, to be particular, look for the photo grid shortcut and tap at this plus icon to add it to your favorite shortcuts. Now get back to the shortcut selection, tap on the photo grid, select the photo you would like to create the collage from, and press Add. From here, you can select the share option to your bottom left and press either Save Image to save this collage to your gallery, or Save to Files to save it to, your file storage. So let's press Save Image at first, press Done, and now if I'll open the Photos app, you'll find your collage right over here. You can now adjust it, mark it up, and do all the same editing actions you would do to any other picture on an iPhone. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.